I say move, enter that place.
I agree to bros. I agree to you, bros. I don't agree to you. Let me touch that guy, so let me touch her. Touch that one, so that one, there's that one. I agree to you, bros. Bros, I don't even know say na Crocodile sister. Now my guy Pablo, you know Pablo now. I tell me say make I deal with the female, so we just spend some fuse.
Fuse? What do be fuse?
No few days now. Make she just deal with me for the few days. Now we don't even just spend. We never even spend some one fuse. Say if you just come. I don't even know, bros.
I say enter here. I say move.
I'm gonna enter this kind of AB. Now more just turn for this BB now.
What do be AB and BB?
Oh, bros, now normal adult bush and baby bush now. Baby me, I do baby bush now. I thought adult bush. I think still for this kind of.
You don't go enter.
Bros, I don't go. I go run.
Python.
I'll move.
Crocodile.
You never reach like this now.
Scorpion.
Now they go. They still this kind of adult bush. I'll run.
I say move.
Look at my face. Oh no, what is that? Go back.
What be this?
Sir?
Where do you see the money?
I say I'm there now.
I will not pick it. You saw money under my share. Sitting.
I saw this money. I don't know who has it, but I picked it now.
That's what I'm saying. Why don't you let me stand sitting down here?
I
Assuming nobody is here. Then I think nobody will question you. I'm sitting down here on my radio. Not that I'm sleeping. So what you have done is that, sir, I saw this money under your share. It's it for you. That's not going away. If anything happens, what do you want me to say?
Sir, I don't know.
Assuming I now started your wife. If anybody had that news, they won't say you should go free. It's true now.
Sir, we will not share this money. But now me first time.
Why are you saying this?
Sir, hunger day. I see this money and I know how much $20 be for market, so we go share this money.
You are a criminal.
What if I come back? Carry on.
I'm sitting down here. Yes. The people under my chair. Yes. And he's going. Okay. And I asked him. He said, "I'm priest." Okay, he's priest. Nobody is here. It's a quite different thing. Yes. The people under my sitting down. Yes. I wasn't sleeping up. Yes. As a gentleman to the call, sir. When this your money, I pick it from under your share. Yes.
Okay, let's assume it's wrong. But in the real sense,
yes.
Did you have any dollar beside you that's actually tell that?
That's just it. I have it.
Jesus.
Yes.
Tell me, if truly you were having any dollar with you.
Okay.
Were you truly having any dollar?
I say yes. I say yes.
Hey!
This I'm telling you that wait. It's a simple analogy. Yes. It will be very wrong for anybody. But no matter how clever or whatever you are, sitting down. Right here. The duty point is to say, sir, is this your money? Not pick it and go.
It's not.
So you are backing him to keep on me and start moving.
Sir,
I'm not backing him.
If I'm not
let me ask you something. If the both of you were going and you saw money and it was the first person to move forward to pick the money,
I won't even go near him again.
What? Because he was the first person to pick it.
I won't go.
Same thing we're talking about.
So I pick this money here.
He picked money, being the first person to pick it.
So the first person to pick it is mine.
Okay, can you prove it to us that you actually have money?
Hey! That's all. That's all. Hey!
Can also allege that this money is not yours.
And so you are backing to me now.
Sir, lay
that the money under my share.
Okay.
Sir,
Another person.
Sir,
let him talk.
Sir, this money, is it yours or not?
I say, I've just said it. I said it's for me.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine fish pie.
This guy girls like this. I'm fine on my bro.
Strange. Bad boy.
No
How far
shit.
I dey be now?
Miami.
Omo, me get one studio where I just dey come from that Ikeja o. I dey tell you, your gas, you get gas now?
I get gas. How the session go?
Bro, the session was mad.
For real.
That producer bad, no worry you. Why you pack everything for you?
I bet me cook this noodles. I bet me can chop. Never chop this morning.
Yeah.
I get some kind of clothes where I won't wash. I get out him today. Now why? I just carry my trash.
Nice time motor you dey leave.
I carry my trash, dude. Guy, what you want wear that wedding?
I
I
never
don't sew
saw
my trash, dude.
I never saw my own yet.
They play. I don't sew my trash already.
Mad.
I beg you need pepper. Just put pepper inside.
You still get
put
pepper?
Like 2. Yeah, put like 2 inside.
This guy,
I swear. More.
You get still get another origin. Origin still dey.
You did now.
For you.
I don't know where I drink it.
I get one shot the way they find me come. I go need this thing. You get one shot they find me come. I need
don't
to
tell me now. I get.
everything
You
there.
did? Yes, now.
Guy, he be
I
bad
just
guy.
dey, bro. I carry my ring light self go. I go shoot
Mad.
some. I'll go shoot some content for this thing. Bro, I won't wash clothes. You get person with the wash clothes.
I go call your
I beg. I need to wash all my clothes. I need to wash all my clothes today. I don't want to pass today.
Why your trunk come?
Guy, drink up now.
Why your boot full like this now?
Bro, I'm on the move now. You know as this waka be now.
I swear, I see the hot.
Guy, I'm always on the move, bro. I beg, I go like wash this shoe.
Hey,
Hello.
I wasn't expecting you.
Oh, this is unannounced visit. That's the whole point. I'm supposed to check, make sure that everything is in order.
It's not a great time. Can
Oh no, it's not. You're fully clothed. And that's all the law requires. I'm supposed to look. What are you hiding? You don't want me to see?
What's up, man?
Hello. Why did he not turn his head like a goat like that?
come in?
Does he live here?
No, he's just visiting.
No, he looks. This is where his leg is on the table. He looks comfortable. This is, to add someone else to your list is $150. So you didn't tell me. So we should add him now.
No, his cousin. Just, just
That man is not your cousin. Look at his head. His head is like a Big Mac. No way, he's your cousin. He's wearing Christmas sweater in July. That man is homeless, so that's not your cousin. Why do you like to date men like this? That's your other boyfriend too. I know. He's not here for obvious reasons. But anyways, 150. So what we do is we'll just add it. We can start it next month. I know your body is doing you somehow. You can't stay by yourself. We'll add it next month. But you have to add him to the list. He clearly lives here. Look at his boxers on the floor. What's his boxers doing next to the dishwasher? You know what I'm doing. Please open the door. I don't even touch the door now. Open the door for me. Let me be there.
All right, man.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
My name is Sabalo.
I'm Shams.
Wow, nice meeting you, Sham.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you a Ghanaian?
Yeah, I'm Ghanaian.
Lovely. What do you care for?
Can you help me call the waitress, please?
Please, come and attend to her.
Yeah, just give me 1 bottle of Azul. With 2 bottles of Coke. That's fine.
Oh, say! Who be that guy with the talking here? Who be that nigga?
Sorry, I'm coming. Let me pick up some.
Talking here with the two anyhow. We want to see anyhow. Say, now your papa money.
That man will pay.
Manager, please come.
Who be that nigga with the talking here? Who be that guy with the
What is
talking
it?
here?
She said you pay.
Why? 22,000 Ghana cedis. Madam, please, you have to pay for what you took.
I thought you asked me what do I care for.
I'm the manager of this company. When you came in, you said that you didn't order for anything. So I asked you, what do you care for? And you order for Azu.
Oh, say!
Collect the money from her, otherwise they will remove it from your salary.
Don't play. Else you will learn, and you might learn in the hard way.
Babe, the love I have for you is uncomparable. Even if they ask me to choose between you and a trip to America, I swear I will be thinking about you in the plane.
This guy be paper chase at Barry House.
My man, what did they supping to now?
When you start this one again, which one be supping to paper
That's
chase?
the bezo, man. Why you let the bezo me like this? Now you don't say we don't value me too. No, they supping to.
No blow my head now. All these slangs I never hear them before.
How about that kolo now?
Kolo? Which one be that one?
That Wait, this boy, you always the bezo, man. Why you always the bezo, man?
No vex, I know this.
That Shima, where you put for your snap now?
Oh, that Shima.
Yeah, snap How she doing now?
She did everywhere me let to everywhere me let to.
Don't the grab those.
No man. Paper chase.
You go so make I give you CH4B balls.
Paper chase. Sure for you die.
Use our millet for that quitting. Make you not do any melenzo.
Wisdom man, paper chase.
Cheese. When I left.
Okay, my don. Make me say go give my babe this CH4B balls.
Hold up. Wait a minute. That ain't right. Oh, the misery. Why are you running?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, the misery.
Indeed.
Relax. Don't be scared. I have an offer for you. Would you rather take this 10 million naira?
Give me the money.
Wait.
Can you wear yourself? Why?
Would you rather take this 10 million naira or spend 10 minutes with Jesus? This 10 million naira or spend 10 minutes with Jesus. The choice is yours.
Okay.
But why did you choose me?
Because I know you are the only way to success.
Oh, I'm blushing. What do you want precisely?
Now you are talking.
100% of my problem is money. I need money.
Jesus.
Are you playing? Time is going. Where were we? So, boss, I said 90% of my problem is money. I can see.
What am I saying?
I'm sorry. Where were we?
Sir, what I've been trying to
wait. Your time is up. I need to go back to heaven. Young man, see you some other time. Where are you going? To heaven. But you are blessing me today. There's nothing you want to do about it. Look, read in between the lines. Read it. You are blessing me today. Follow me. You are blessing me today.
Babe. You smell broke.
Now your father perfume my spray.
We are sleeping and joining. Where's the money in this house?
Where's the money? Which money?
See, we don't come here to joke.
Where's the money? Money there this house?
Yes!
Hey, for here.
1 year, yes, here.
You didn't tell me.
Hey!
Money there this house with me, I don't know. How? Gentlemen, what did you get doing?
Are you stupid? Look, we didn't come here to joke. Where's the money in this house?
I think I say money there this inside. So that boy had a search.
Are you mad or something?
We know they here.
So when did this house inside?
You've wasted my energy. You've wasted it. Come on, bro. I think I say money there. That boy had a search. Why they can't rob? On a bench, you not get anything. Cause me, look at my trousers. I come out all the pocket inside, nothing there inside. I've been sleeping since morning, afternoon. I'm trying to dodge them, then eat dinner. They're coming here to steal. As they are, they want escape from suburb, from this place. So see where they go. I want to go to Sao Tome. This is where I'm going. Oh, so come, Yeba, come and see you. So this is the map, and I'm moving from here, from the coast, okay, all the way to this side.
So we go where you circle? No?
Yes, where I have circle. It's Sao Tome. Say Sao Tome.
Sao Tome.
I'm talking to you right now. I'm 99% done. Igbina. Okay, Igbina. So it's either you join me or you continue with your robbery.
So we go swim, or we go with plane also?
I'm going with canoe.
Oh, okay, canoe.
Okay, say canoe. Canoe. So we are going, alright? Are you going with me or you continue with your robbery? We are almost there. So, Jigbody, say Jigbody. Hey, why they cry? You don't robber here. Jesus! So, all we have to do right now is to gather some courage because we are going to cross some desert. Desert? Yes, desert. But don't worry, because I got you. I have Bigo. And Alpha Cracker. So don't worry. Say victory! Victory!
Young man, please can you move back so I can come out?
Young woman, please move back. I don't want trouble.
I don't know how to reverse. I would have moved back, but I'm still a learner. Please, can you just move back so I can come out? Then you come in.
I'm a learner too. Please move back.
You're not a learner now. Why are you lying? Just move back now.
Wait, so now I'm lying. I can't move back. Move back.
No more worry into your love.
Young man, please, I'm begging you now. Just move back. It's because I don't know how to reverse. I would have gone back myself. It's not something that is so stressful. Just move back a bit so I can come out. You move in.
Young lady.
I'm not here to fight you. Can you just take my car key? Then you'll help me to reverse. It's because I don't know how to reverse.
Oh, wait. You don't know how to drive. And you carry Benz enter road. You are doing freestyle.
Oga, please now.
Don't beg me. I'm not going anywhere today. I will stay here till you drive your car.
Well, I offered you my car key. Please, take my car. Like, just help me to reverse. It's because I don't know how to reverse.
Me too. I don't know how to reverse. I'm a learner. Take my car key and reverse my own too. You don't want to? I'm not doing anything today. I will stay here till tomorrow.
What be this? What be this?
I see what this is. You just want trouble, right? Well, I'm going to show you that me too. I don't have anywhere that I'm going, and I'm going to stay here too. If you can't reverse, I don't know how to reverse. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, Ayana, let's stay here. You will learn today. You will learn the hard way.
Hello? Hello, Daddy. Daddy, please, I don't think I'll be able to come to the family house again today. No, there's nothing. I'm okay. I'm just feeling under the weather, that's all.
Chai!
Please, just help me to greet mommy, and don't forget the money I asked you for, the 3 million. Please, Daddy, I need it. Okay, thank you. I love you. Bye.
Hello? Get you? Yes, it's me. Lock our trade shop. Yes, I will not be coming to the office today. Lock it, lock all the shop. Tell all those boys maybe they go out.
You be mumu.
Yes, I'm on a picnic. Yeah! You know, yes.
$20,000 for my BS.
Which one be BS
You're my
now?
baby swimming now. I greet you, bros.
No, they greet us for
You
yeah.
recognize that guy with the teach that BF how to swim since. I greet you, bros.
Oh God, they ask question before you swim.
You never. I don't know. Let me get Pablo. Let's say man, come.
Pablo.
Just spend some fews, yeah.
Pablo don't pay money now.
I don't know. Say you really want to do. I'm in the vids.
Which one be the vids?
No, I'm paying individuals now.
Pay your money. You come on your card.
If now, so make I do the drowns. Man, spend the money.
Which one be the drowns?
No, I'm drowning now. I can never really swim. Only BS. I just baby swimming. Make I just do the drowns.
You want drown for our pool?
For 20,000, man, go. You can just.
He
never really reached
that.
He never really reached that.
Hold that man.
I will go meow.
You know,